If your environment feels flat, adding particles and small floating elements can instantly bring the entire scene to life. Today, how to explore Photo Bash particle atmosphere effects. Begin inside Photoshop by creating a new canvas around 3500 by 2000 pixels. Import your main environment, such as a forest path, battlefield, or futuristic street, and stretch it across the canvas. Create a new blank layer above everything and choose a small, soft round brush. Set the color to white and start clicking randomly across the scene to create tiny particle dots. Now go to Filter, Blur,